C10. It's a truck that came off an estate sale. So treated as a driving project, I'd call it. They were going 55 miles an hour, but it probably needs to be drove some and tinkered on. So, but yeah, it does go down the road pretty nice. They're just kicked into overdrive. Cruising along right at 65 miles an hour almost, so it does go down the road good. But like I said, needs to be drove, probably needs a good tune-up, probably some carb work. So don't buy it expecting just to drive it and that's all you're going to do with it. It's a driving project. Our truck's been sitting for a long time, so it needs some little tinkering on here and there. But here we're showing you that it does go down the road nice. So steering wise, it's good. It really goes down good. So if you're looking for a cheap pickup to work on, give us a call, 605-695-7391.